Hey guys, welcome back to the Life Learning Institute. Have you ever wondered why, despite the hype, manifestation seems elusive for so many? It's a question that puzzles even the most devoted followers of the practice. It's a question that puzzles even the most devoted followers. They often find themselves asking, "What am I doing wrong?" Or, "Why isn't this working for me?" The truth is, manifestation is a powerful force. It has the potential to transform lives and bring dreams into reality. But it requires more than just wishing and hoping. It's not magic. It's a process that involves both the mind and the heart. It's about aligning your energy with your desires. This means cultivating a mindset that is in harmony with what you want to achieve. And it's about taking inspired action to make those desires a reality. Without action, even the most vivid dreams remain just that, dreams. Many stumble upon roadblocks on their manifestation journey. They encounter obstacles that seem insurmountable. They may feel lost or discouraged. These feelings are natural and part of the process. But understanding the common pitfalls can illuminate the path to success. By recognizing and addressing these challenges, you can navigate your journey with greater clarity and confidence. Manifestation has taken the world by storm. It's everywhere you look, from the shelves of bookstores to the endless scroll of social media. From social media feeds to bestseller lists, everyone seems to be talking about it. The concept has infiltrated our daily lives, becoming a topic of conversation at dinner tables and coffee shops alike. The idea is simple. You can attract what you want by focusing your thoughts and energy on it. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply daydreaming, the practice encourages a positive mindset. The allure of manifestation is undeniable. The promise of achieving your dreams by harnessing the power of your mind is incredibly appealing. Who wouldn't want to manifest their dream life with the power of their minds? Vision boards, affirmations, and positive thinking are just a few tools people use to bring their desires to life. This surge in popularity has brought forth a wealth of information techniques and inspiring stories. Workshops, seminars, and online courses are now widely available, offering guidance and support. However, it's also important to approach manifestation with a discerning eye. With so much information out there, it's crucial to sift through and find what truly resonates with you. Not all advice is created equal. Some techniques may work better for you than others, and it's essential to be critical and selective. And the journey to manifestation is rarely linear. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when progress seems slow. But with persistence and a positive mindset, the path to your dreams can become clearer. One of the biggest misconceptions about manifestation is that it's passive. Many people believe that simply visualizing their desires is enough. They write affirmations, create vision boards, and wait for their dreams to magically materialize. But manifestation requires more than just wishing. It demands action. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals. Another common struggle is inconsistency. People may dabble in manifestation practices without fully committing. They might get discouraged when they don't see immediate results and give up too soon. Unlocking your manifestation power. So, why doesn't manifestation work for everyone? One major factor is mindset. If you approach manifestation with doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs, you're creating resistance. Our thoughts are truly powerful. They shape our reality. If you are constantly focusing on what you lack or what you may fear, you are more likely to attract those experiences. Emotional blocks can also hinder manifestation. Past traumas, negative self-talk, and unresolved emotional issues can create energetic barriers. Aligning with your desires. The key to successful manifestation lies in alignment. This means aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. It's about creating a state of congruence within yourself. Start by getting clear about what you truly want. What brings you joy? What are your deepest passions? Once you've identified your desires, focus on cultivating positive emotions associated with them. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if you've already achieved your goals. This emotional alignment sends a powerful message to the universe. Belief, action, and the universe's response. Belief is another crucial ingredient in manifestation. You must believe that what you desire is possible for you. This doesn't mean ignoring your current reality or denying any challenges. It simply means trusting that the universe can orchestrate events in your favor. When you believe, you open yourself up to receiving. Finally, manifestation requires action. It's about taking inspired steps towards your goals. These actions may be small or significant, but they all contribute to your overall momentum. Your journey to abundant living. This is where your transformation begins. Remember, manifestation is not a quick fix. It requires time, dedication, and a deep understanding of your true desires. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and alignment. Each step you take brings you closer to your true self. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and creating a life you love. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques. Journaling, meditation, visualization. Find what works best for you. Find what resonates with you. Trust your intuition and let it guide you. And most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Self-compassion is key to your journey. Share your experiences, support others on their journeys, and build a community of like-minded individuals. Remember that you are powerful beyond measure. Your potential is limitless. The universe is conspiring with you to create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Embrace the journey and trust the process. Thanks for tuning in to the Life Learning Institute. If you've been struggling with your manifestation journey, I hope today's video gave you some clarity. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights and tips. See you in the next one.